Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning is Fun with me. Today is 14th Feb, so first of all, happy Shivratri to all of you and happy Valentine's Day. Today in this video, I'm going to share few tips with you on how to make your child responsible, confident, loving and helpful. So let's get started. Tip number 1 is spend quality time with your child. Tip number 2 is love and hug your child every day. Tip number 3 is start your day with meditation. Tip number 4 is give small or assign small jobs to your child, like clean the table or give a glass of water to your father, like this. Tip number 5 is ask him to use three golden words: sorry, please, and thank you. These three words very important. And you as a parent also use these three words because you are the role model for them. Last but not the least, tip number 6 is appreciate your child. It is very important. Appreciate your child with small sentences like amazing, wow, you have done this, you are best, you are special to me. So, like this, you can appreciate your child. So, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next video with the next topic. If you like this video, please give thumbs up to it. And please keep watching my channel. I need your love and support. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.